Excuse me, boss. Team you support. Can't you see? Chelsea, proper Chelsea. I've led Chelsea. 2, Asna. 2. And let me tell you right now, people, yeah? You'll see the score on paper and you go, oh, that looked like a decent game. Yeah? The reality is Asna, yeah, absolutely did a robbery in West London tonight and got out of jail. Obviously, we have Goonie sat here. We're going to get Lewis on as well. Kenny, myself, Jez, Matty, player ratings. Then I'm on with Ola, the Fight Week show for the UFC card. Make sure you subscribe to Goonie's channel, link in title. But bro, as a Chelsea fan, when you were phoning me up and as you're on the phone to me while I was live, and Mudryk, of all people, bro, I contemplated quitting the stream. Of all people, and he weren't even shooting, he was crossing. Dinks got to go 2-0, bro. At that point, you lot were hype, yeah? What are you feeling now at full time, bro?
It's a loss. I don't give a shit about 1 point. It's a fucking loss. I'm sorry. Apologies for the language, Lee, but this is just, I can't contain myself. I can't contain myself. I haven't even pressed record on my own camera because otherwise it was just going to be fucking mayhem. Yeah? Listen. Am I surprised? No. Look at these fucking players in my squad. Look at these players in my squad. I told them. Do you know why I'm angry? Because people was like, Goonie, you're too negative, this, that, and the other. You're not proper Chelsea. Fucking Sanchez. These guys were getting naked for this guy. I told you, keep your clothes on. Why are we signing this guy? Okay. Oh,
yeah. Don't worry. Keep going, man. Keep going.
Why are we signing?
Carry on, man. Carry on.
Why are we signing this guy? Why? Now look, today he's match fixing. Today he is match fixing. Bro, what are we doing?
I can't lie. That was a wild pass. Yeah, that was crazy. Yeah, because do you know what's mad? Yeah, he didn't have nothing to do, bro. All game. Literally, we had 3 shots on target. 2 ended up in the back of the net, right? And the other one was an aimless pot shot from Eddie Nketiah. That's it. He didn't have to make a save. We were not pressing you. We weren't closing your keeper down like you were with us. Yeah, and it was like, that was just a lazy, lackadaisical, look at me, I'm the Chelsea number 1, blah, blah, blah. Switched off, got a bit overconfident. Fair play to Declan Rice, yeah, for putting it in the back of the net. Yeah, because we see Onana in the Merseyside derby try and score like Beckham from halfway and put it about 20 yards wide earlier. So fair play for Rice, but bro, I can't lie, yeah, that was a robbery today. And if I was a Chelsea fan, I'd be fuming.
No,
because
I'm
Kenny texted me at half time. Kenny's at the game, yeah. Kenny texted me at half time and said that first half was a disgrace. Yeah, you should have been you should have been 3 or 4-0 up overall before we scored. But I knew, and this is what I said to you the other day. It's what I said to Terry. It's what I said to Lewis and everybody else I've done streams with. Yeah, rants and all that lot. If we score early, you lot fold. Look at when we equalised, bro. You lot folded. You were rolling around. You lot milk because you knew. And this is why I wanted us to start the game how we finished the game. Yeah, pressing high, quick 1 touch, 2 touch, boom, boom, boom. Because you're all looking around at each other like strangers. Like, oh, what do we do now? Yeah, Conor Gallagher, Enzo, Caicedo were absolutely walking through us today. Yeah, Cole Palmer. I'm sorry, mate. I'm not familiar with your game, my friend.
What a player. And you know what makes me sick to the pit of my stomach, Lee? This guy only got here last month, and he's not even 22 or 21 years old, and he was the best player on the pitch. Disgraceful, blood. As good as he was, yeah, fair play to him. As good as he was, you know, a couple of others have a case. Raheem Sterling, he done all right. Do you know what I mean? Mudryk, well done for the goal. I think it was a bit fluky myself. You know what I mean?
When you see it, he's looking to cross it.
Yeah,
and then he's standing there like prime Tony Adams, like what?
Bruv, look, okay, let me be real. If you was to tell me before the game was gonna draw 2-2 and take a point from this, I'd have been like, you know what? I always want to beat Arsenal, but considering where we are and considering where they are, I'll take it. But the reason why I'm taking it like this, like it's a loss, is the nature of which we lost the game. I just can't get beyond that. I cannot get beyond it at all. You know, I'm hearing some stuff like, well, what are you saying about Conor Gallagher now and this and that and the other? He's good. He done well today. Is he enough to push me to the promised land? I still don't think so. Get somebody in that's better. Yeah, there's bare players. Listen, man, and it's not just a Conor Gallagher witch hunt. It's not. It's just all together. And then by the time, listen, man, you see, once we went 2-0 up, what killed us was them substitutions. I think he made them way too early. There was no need to change that. You need to respect where this Arsenal team are. And if it ain't broke, do not fix it. And what does he do? Tell me what he does. Who does he bring on for Mudryk, Mikhailo Mudryk? He brings on that guy, Nicholas Jackson. And I keep telling people, and I keep telling people until I'm blue in the face, this guy is not a striker. He's not a striker. He had an opportunity. His first touch, he could have chipped that goalkeeper. Even if the defender would have cleared it off the line, cool. But his job is done. He didn't even do that. He hesitated right in front of the goalkeeper. But guess what, guns? People under the comments are going to say, you're too harsh on Nicholas Jackson, Goonie. He's only 20 or 21. He needs some time. I don't care what age you are. I have seen 18 and 19-year-old strikers with instinct who would have chipped that goalkeeper. Whether it went in or not, the right idea was there. Eddie and Ketia would have chipped this guy, and you're trying to tell me keep my faith in Nicholas Jackson. Sorry, mate. No, absolutely not. No.
You're spot on about the subs here, because me and Matty mentioned it, yeah? Like, the arrogance to take off Sterling, who, number one, was upset he didn't get the penalty, and they showed a clip, yeah, of Enzo saying, no, he's taking it. And it's like, bro, this guy's just got to the football club.
Well, he's got seniority at the club already, though, Guns. This is the thing, right? Yeah, he's been given the captain's armband before.
Cole Palmer. No, I know it. Fair play to Enzo, but how are you telling Raheem Sterling, yeah, and your Enzo Fernandez? Cool, you've won a World Cup, whatever, yeah. But how are you telling Raheem Sterling, no, Cole Palmer's taking the penalty, zip it, yeah? For me, I thought that was super disrespectful to Raheem Sterling, yeah. Number two. Fair play to Cole Palmer, because if he missed it, I swear down there would have been a tear up at half time.
Would have been, it would have been an uproar, 100%.
And Sterling, I thought when he took him off, I was like, right, let's take Sterling off. Right, let's take Mudryk off. Yeah, I was like, that's a bit iffy. Yeah, that's a bit dodgy. Okay, cool. Yeah, and then I was like, okay, if anyone's going to score, it's going to be them again. Maybe they're just going to shut up shop a little bit, whatever. And then we got that goal because your goalkeeper did a stupidness. And then it was like, right, come on, just go. As soon as Odegaard goes off the pitch, and the amount of times I tell people about this guy, bro, press him, dusted, gone, finito, ghost. Yeah, again today, shocking. Absolutely deadbeat footballer. And I'm supposed to rate that guy. Yeah, Conor Gallagher showed him levels today. And I don't rate Gallagher. Conor Gallagher showed him levels today.
Bro. Listen, man, I'm in a point where I haven't even gathered my thoughts, fam. Like, I'm beyond. Have you ever been at a point where you're so angry that you can't even scream and shout and just you can't do it? I've just gone beyond that point after seeing what I've seen, bro. It's absolute. And then do you know who? Do you know who almost made me throw my television out of my window? That brother Noni Madueke, cuz Noni Madueke, bro. I don't care. Noni Madueke, what he should have never seen the pitch. The guy hasn't seen minutes since 19. How long? I don't even remember the last time I seen him on the pitch for Chelsea. But in today's high pressure game where we need 3 points against our rivals that could have started our season, boy. And you know why I'm bringing up Noni Madueke? Because you see that second goal. Where was he, bro?
Yep.
Where was he?
He finished from Trossard, by the way.
Yeah, good finish. But then I'm gonna have to ask the goalkeeper again. How are you not saving that?
Yeah, man.
How are you not saving that? You are 6'4" or 5 or whatever it is that you are. You're telling me
crazy.
I'm sorry. This is what I'm trying to say. And I said it. I said it. We need a goalkeeper. Yeah, not because they bought him for 25 M's. They saw a bargain there and they took it. Listen, if the goalkeeper is a non-negotiable position in football, I don't care what nobody tells me, non-negotiable. Negate one of those 100 million signings or an 80 million signing or whatever it is that we're paying for players these days and spend that money on the goalkeeper. That's what you need to do. Because I guarantee you, I promise you, if somebody like a Mike Magnan, even a Diogo Costa, who hasn't had the best performances recently, was in that goal, that is not going in. 100% it's not going in. In fact, I saw Diogo Costa make an even harder save in the international break than that. This is what I'm trying to say. They told me this guy's rubbish, this guy's this, that, and the other, but Sanchez is the answer. Is this what we're doing here, Chelsea fans?
Give me a positive before we wrap up, man. Give me a positive.
Positive. Okay, I'll give you a positive. We didn't lose. We didn't lose.
A big six team. That's
we didn't lose to a big six team.
Still undefeated, albeit you've conceded less goals than us this season. But we've now conceded less than you because we scored twice. But a big six game that you've not lost against a team that's allegedly in a title race. That's a positive, right?
Well, we drew to Liverpool, we drew to you guys. And if we're looking in the scale of development and actually trying to move in the right direction, it was important not to lose today because it gives us some kind of psychological edge going forward into the fixtures that we do have. But this is the thing, the nature of which we had this draw. With this young group of players, I hope it did not crush their confidence. I really don't, especially that first half. And I hope to God that Pochettino learns his lesson today and make sure that when you are playing these top teams, do not make as many subs as you did the way you did it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Make sure if you're going to make that many subs, wait till 80 minutes, 85 minutes if you want to do something like that. If your players are playing well, against an Arsenal, against the Manchester City, and we've got the lead with 15, 20 minutes to go. Don't be naive and make those changes, and especially bring in players that don't even have match fitness, brother. You understand? You bought in, like I said, you bought in Madueke. Reece James, I can understand why you're bringing him in because he's quote unquote the captain of the club. For me, he is a top quality player and he's also experienced. You don't ask kids to see out games. This is the problem. This is where experience counts, bro. Yeah, because closing off a game is part of game management. And if you haven't been there before and you're just going to be gung-ho, right, or whatever it is that you're doing, I can't even get my force together, Lee, bro. I can't. I'm fuming,
make sure you subscribe to Gooni's channel. The link will be in the title, people. Man knows football. As you can see, he's extremely upset. Make sure you check out his match reaction. Make sure you subscribe to me as well. Smash the like button, and we're out of here. Laters.
Southgate out.